Forging Press Machinery Industry Company, Limited was built in 1956. About 60 years history of producing forging hammer. Our company is the biggest manufacturer of forging hammer. It has occupied 66 acres and has 1,200 staffs and 5 branch companies. We mainly produce CNC fully hydraulic die forging hammer, electro-hydraulic forging hammer, hydraulic forging press, pneumatic forging hammer, forging manipulator, forging charger, metal chips briquetting press, hydraulic riveting machine, etc. Former Administrator of China Machine Building Bureau Mr. He Yuan writes inscriptions, Forge China famous brand, build world CNC hammer base. Our company got the highest quality prize in China. Our company draft the national standards for CNC fully hydraulic die forging hammer, electro-hydraulic forging hammer and pneumatic forging hammer. Our CNC fully hydraulic die forging hammer has been got 18 national patents, high-tech products certificates, scientific technology prize. Our CNC fully hydraulic die forging hammer, electro-hydraulic forging hammer, pneumatic forging hammer have been passed CE certificate. Our company pay attention to technology updating continuously. We take technology innovation as life and build R&D center formed by Henan CNC Equipment Engineering Center, Henan High Tech Enterprise Technology Center, National Frigain Hammer Technology Institute, Chief Engineering Office. We have kinds of technicians, about 200 POP to base the product innovation. Anyang Forging Press Group, Numerical Control Equipment Company, Limited mainly produce CNC forging hammer. We have CNC machining workshop, heat treatment workshop, assembling workshop, etc. We have TK42200 CNC machining center, TJK6920 CNC boring and milling, etc. Large CNC machining equipments, more than 20 sets. Anyang CNC fully hydraulic die forging hammer and other products have been exported to USA, England, France, Brazil, Mexico, India, etc. more than 60 countries.